Hey, what's up everybody? Chef Duff here. Sun-Maid and I are here to help you pull off the holidays. And I thought what would be really fun is a candy I remember from my childhood. It's called halva. Why don't we do a peanut butter halva? And to make it really fun, I want to put a bunch of raisins in there. It's going to kind of be like a candy version of a peanut butter and jelly. These are delicious. I think you guys are going to dig this. All right, so to make peanut butter halva, here's what you're gonna need. I'm gonna take all this peanut butter and I'm gonna add it to the bowl of the stand mixer. I'm gonna add the raisins, cinnamon, a little bit of salt, and then a few drops of vanilla extract. We're gonna pour our hot halva into this, and then this goes in the freezer. Once the halva is cool, you grab the paper and it just lifts right out of here. It's super easy to get out. Now it's time to cook some sugar. So I am adding 2 cups of sugar. Then I'm gonna pour a little bit of water, just enough to get everything wet. You don't need that much water. All right, we're at 235 degrees. We want to go to 245. And we're there. Okay, so now I'm going to turn this on nice and slow. And we'll just gently pour in this hot sugar. When it's about the consistency of like chocolate chip cookie dough, and I'll show it to you, it really, that's kind of what it looks like. All right, so now take a spatula, and we're just going to dump this into the pan. Okay, our halva just came out of the freezer, and I think it's ready. So now what I'm going to do is just grab the paper. All right, so I got a bunch of little halva squares here, and now I'm going to show you how to finish them. So I got a little paper cone, and I filled it with melted milk chocolate. Now I'm going to take some crushed salted cocktail peanuts. Yeah, I think that the little saltiness on top should be really nice. All right, let's see. I feel like if you make these for your holiday table, people are going to be very impressed. Anytime you make candy, people kind of lose their minds. So, from Sun-Maid and I, have a wonderful, happy holiday.